Hello and welcome back to Abby's Home Kitchen. On today's video, I'm showing you how I made the sweet honey air fried winglets. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do not forget to click the subscribe button. And if you're not new here, thank you for tuning in again. I do hope you enjoy. First, you want to start by cleaning your wings. Make sure you pat dry it also. And add some cooking oil. If you have a spray oil, you can use that as well. And I'm adding some garlic powder. I'm adding some onion flakes. I'm also adding some bouillon, some chili flakes, also some smoked paprika. And I'm adding some honey. Make sure you're using an organic honey so you know that it's healthy. So what I'm going to do here is just to mix all this together, and I'm going to marinate it for a few hours. Once it is well marinated, if you're using an air fryer, just use the chicken option and air fry on both sides. If you're using a regular oven, you can grill at 350 degree and for about 35 to 40 minutes while you turn each sides. And once you do that, you can see how beautiful that looks. And I can tell you this also tastes great. You'd always want more. Once you have that, you can garnish as you want, and you can have this with salads, with your favorite dish, and yeah, it makes you keep coming back for more. I do hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, share your comments. Do not forget to share this video with friends and family, and also remember to click that notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. You can also find me on Instagram at Abby's Home Kitchen, on Pinterest. You can also find me there, and I would gladly appreciate your comments. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.